If you want to enter in a cybersecurity like me without heavy coding, learn GRC. GRC means governance, risk and compliance, and governance is how a company sets security rules and regulations. Governance is following standards like ISO 27001 and SOC. Risk is identifying what can go wrong, and every company needed handling data like banks, startup, IT firms need GRC. Without GRC, one data breach can destroy your money and reputations. And the interesting part is here, you don't need advanced coding knowledge, you need only understanding and documenting skill and risk thinking. So I'm learning GRC because I want to best a way for enter in a cybersecurity roles and follow this phase. Thank you to being this part of my journey.